Sedan cars are a popular vehicle choice known for their sleek design, comfort, and practicality. These cars typically feature a 3-box configuration with separate compartments for the engine, passenger, and cargo, offering ample space and a smooth driving experience. Sedans come in various sizes, from compact to full-size, catering to different needs and preferences. Specifications. Size. Sedans come in different sizes, including compact, mid-size, and full-size variants, accommodating varying passenger and cargo requirements. Engine options. They often offer a range of engine choices, from fuel-efficient 4 cylinders to powerful V6 or even V8 engines, balancing performance and efficiency. Interior comfort. Sedans usually prioritize comfort, offering spacious interiors with quality materials, advanced infotainment systems, and modern amenities for a pleasurable driving experience. Handling. Their lower center of gravity typically provides better handling and stability on the road compared to taller vehicles like SUVs. Daily commuting. Sedans are great for daily commuting due to their fuel efficiency and comfortable ride. Family transportation. With ample space for passengers and luggage, sedans are suitable for families. City driving. Their maneuverability makes them ideal for navigating city streets and tight parking spaces. Drawbacks. Limited off-road capability. Sedans might struggle with rough terrain compared to SUVs or crossovers. Less ground clearance. They have lower ground clearance, making them more susceptible to scraping on uneven roads. Choosing the right sedan depends on individual preferences, considering factors like budget, desired features, and specific needs. It's always advisable to test drive and compare models before making a decision.